Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to enable or disable subtitles in Wildgate. To do it, click on Menu in top right corner, then go to Options, and now in the Gameplay tab you may need to scroll down a little bit to Accessibility until you find Subtitles, and you can turn them off or on. Once they are on, you can change the subtitle background opacity, as well as subtitle font size and subtitle font color. You'll also see a preview right here. So if I change the background opacity, you can see how it changes. In the left bottom corner, you can also change the font size. You can see how it changes, and the color also can be changed. That will be about it. And I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next one.